Okay, let's talk about renovations. It's been a bit of a crazy time. Obviously, through COVID, there was an incredulous demand. We had, long delays on being able to do the renos. We had also change on the cost of goods, just a smidgen. So I've been asked, is this a good time to be doing renovations? Well, we might start seeing now the supplier availability of contractors is now more closer to availability, or we've met market requirements. So as far as the wait time, it might not be as long. What I think I'd want to talk about is, where are my returns going to be from the dollar invested in my home to the dollar appreciation? Years ago in the 80s or 90s, we would say a basement cost was 25 grand, quite a nice basement. Maybe in the early 2000s, that was 50 grand. Those days are long since gone. If you're doing a basement now, you're probably 100, 150,000, depending if you want to put in washrooms and bars or any of those fun things as well. What's that return going to look like? Well, we know when we're getting appraisals done, if the basement is finished versus not finished, the difference on that appraised value, $50,000. So if you're spending 150 and you're getting a 50K increase on appraisal, that might give you a little bit of food for thought. Where would I be putting my money right now? Especially if you're about to experience a mortgage rate increase on your renewal, maybe inserting a home suite or an ensuite in the basement, especially if you've got a side or you can add a basement walkout. What an incredible way to be able to increase your revenue return, two, three, or higher $1,000 a month. That will more than offset. If you're spending 150 and you're getting that rent of three, it's more than going to cover your costs and also increase the returns in the long run. That's where I'm spending my money.